If you are a director of a limited company, what is the probability that that company will continue after you died?
Well, again, this will depend on how this limited company is actually set up. A lot of limited companies are husband and wife or family member involved and so forth, but may not actually work in the business. In those cases, it's very highly likely that the business will close down simply because there's no one to run it, unless there is, an employee or a family member that knows how the business runs and therefore can take it on. If it's, however, a limited company where the other directors are not family members, you are just the business people together that have joined as a limited company and hold individual shares, then what's been set up for the basis of someone dying? Because if you have two limited company directors and one of them dies, then the other director ends up doing 100% of the work instead of 50% of the work, and still having to pay the other shareholder, which would be the beneficiary of the director that's died. Is that capable? Is that realistic? Or it might be that the beneficiary of the director that's died might demand coming into the business and actually causing an issue on that basis. There's all sorts of things that can go wrong, and it's all about initial planning. And by initial planning, I'm talking about doing an estate planning will and putting into place business powers of attorney so that everything fits on the unfortunate occurrence of one of the directors dying.